Hello everyone. Today we're gonna feed our chickens. So we have this to feed them. So now we're gonna go feed our chickens. We have 14 chickens. 14's a lot. That's Georgie right there. He's our man. He's really kind. That's Java. He always texts his girlfriend. That's Omega, and her sister's over there, Alpha. That's Sugar Plum, and her twin, Atasha. And then we have 3 raptors. We call them raptors. That is Raptor, and that is Blue. Let me see if I can find Delta. There, that's Delta. That one is Spider-Man. And Felicia. So every morning I let them out first, then I feed them in those buckets. That's how happy they are. They're eating all that food I gave them. Here chickens, they always take a beat and run away from the other girls with it. That's a chicken coop. You built it all by yourself. That basket helps us carry eggs. Hi, Red. Yeah, you're pretty, girl. She's pretty, isn't she? So it's a little hard here on our property, but I just go with it. You might have yellow jackets where you live, because my dad always gets stung. He lays in bed all day, and we are gonna see my dad working. So that's my dad right there. That's my dad working. Don't forget to like,